everyone. Today I'm sharing some amazing Dollar Tree gardening hacks that you won't want to miss. If you want to skip to the shopping and get straight to the hacks, go to the 1 minute 6 second mark. From making a DIY watering station to using a BPA fridge bottle for bone meal or fertilizer, we have some great tips that are going to help your garden thrive on a budget. Plus, I'll show you how to plant some herbs in a mixing bowl that hooks right onto the side of your raised bed, giving you so much more space for planting or even on a low fence. And even how to use baskets. Just a regular garbage basket to protect your vegetables from bugs. Remember, not all Dollar Tree garden departments are created equal. If you're lucky enough to have multiple Dollar Trees in your area, check out the next one if you feel that your gardening section is a little bit lackluster. Trust me, the variety could be surprising. I hope you all love these hacks. I'll be doing a follow-up to show you our progress because I'm already seeing growth on these flower rockets. Let's start with a bee watering station. We are going to need 4 items for this. And actually, you don't even have to. You can use either the plastic saucers or this cute little glass bowl. That's from the kitchen department. Then I use these bags of the glass gems, and we're going to make a DIY bee watering station. Watering stations are super important for bees. They need water, not just for hydration. They use water for a lot of things. So give them that water if you want to invite them into your garden. So we're filling up our saucer here and our bowl with our gems, kind of pretty much to the rim. You want the bees to have a nice landing pad, basically. And now we're going to fill it with water just to the bottom edge of your top gems. You want the bees to be able to land on top of the gem without getting soaked and be able to take a drink and take a rest too. Now let's use a fridge bottle, and I'm using mine for bone meal. You can use it for fertilizer or whatever else that you need to shake off into your garden. So I'm taking a BPA fridge bottle, and then I'm using a soldering iron. You can use a drill if you would like, but that wasn't for me. I'm a little scared of that. So the soldering iron worked perfect. I put some holes into my lid. Now I'm filling it up with bone meal. I ran out of my original brand, and this second one is so dusty. I should have stuck with my first brand, but here we go. That's going to make it easier because last summer I was just digging into the bag with my hands and grabbing the bone meal. So this super powdery one, there'd be no way I could do it. So this bottle already is making my life so much easier. Now let's plant some herbs in these mixing bowls with handles. And look at that, they hook right on the side of your raised garden bed. Here's the mixing bowl. The handle is absolutely the perfect width. It fit right over my bed. You probably could fit it over a low fence if you have. And I'm going to do two herbs in each one. So I did dill and parsley in this one. We'll just get that planted. I used the potting soil that I got from Dollar Tree as well. And then I'm going to do basil and oregano. And you can do flowers. You could plant some marigolds in here, again, to attract those bees to your garden. Having flowers near your garden is always super important, so this would be perfect and it would look beautiful. So here we go. I got my seeds planted, and like I said, it just hooks right on. I absolutely love this project. Now we're going to use a basket, a trellis, and a pinwheel. And the everything except the pinwheel is right from the garden. No, actually, only the trellis is from the garden department. But you'll see, these are really simple uses. And there's our pinwheel, which is just adorable. I love decorating my garden, so this one worked perfect. Okay, so the basket I am using to just put over my plants that I want to protect from bugs. The trellis I am using for my snap beans. It's a beautiful trellis. And the pinwheel I'm putting in front of my blueberry bush to keep the birds away from eating my blueberries. And there we go. The wind puts it into action. So these were three really easy hacks. Just beautiful, too. I love every one of them. Okay, on to the next. We are using this bell cloche. And I planted carrot seeds. And I'm doing a little experiment here. Last year, I used that material there. I should have looked up what that's called, but right there. That's what I use. The carrot seeds need some moisture before they start to grow. Let's see how we do with the bell cloche. Okay, here's the flower rocket. And this, according to the box, you just bury it into the dirt, right kind of to the rim. But I put the dirt over the top. I mean, it looks a little different than the box showed. But I'm just kind of following the picture on the box. I'm hoping, but actually, like I said in the beginning, I am already getting growth on this. So this is working. I can't wait to see. It's going to be beautiful. And I love those pots. So those are just some pots that I had still just from last year. So no money spent there. The plastic watering stake. These are going to be perfect for my pots. These were getting dry pretty quickly, and I want to make sure I keep those nice and moist so I get some good growth out of those little seed rockets there. So I'm just filling up my plastic watering stake, and easy peasy, kind of. Plant labels, another easy project. The plant labels and the Sharpie both came from Dollar Tree. And as simple as that. So I'll get these all written out, and then we'll go put them in the garden. They're nice and sturdy, a really good quality. Here's our completed garden with our Dollar Tree touches that I am absolutely loving. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I completely appreciate it, and I'll see you on an update video.